I'm very health conscious और I am very disciplined. So तो हाँ मैं I'm a workout freak. I like to go to the gym. I like to put this thing on my diet, workout. वो सब of course ध्यान दिया. 6 महीने पिक्चर शुरू होने से पहले, 3-4 महीने पिक्चर शुरू होने से पहले मैंने ज़रूर ध्यान दिया. And so I'm happy with the way I'm looking. As a human being, I would say he has definitely, he's really evolved. He's grown as a person. I think his attitude towards life is wonderful to see right now. I think he's got this lovely, nice. He's in a nice place, personally speaking. And as an actor, of course, I think he's amazing as an actor. I've always said that whenever I work with him, I have it's a learning experience for me whenever I work with him. So I've learned so much from him, and I think that every time, जैसे इस फिल्म में भी मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर सीख के आई हूँ. शायद मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि वो क्या है exactly, but I know कि अगली पिक्चर करूँगी तो कहीं ना कहीं उसकी कोई सीख मेरे दिमाग में ज़रूर है. बिल्कुल, क्योंकि जब दिलवाले की स्क्रिप्ट सुनी थी तो मैंने मुझे कहा था कि इतने दिन हैं आउटडोर पे, तो मैं एक्चुअली सोच रही थी मैं करूँ नहीं करूँ, क्योंकि मुझे आउटडोर ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. मेरे बच्चे हैं घर पे, उनको अकेला छोड़ना पड़ेगा. So I actually asked her, I said, baby, it's going to be a really tough film for you guys as well, because I'm not going to be there at that time. और actually उसने घूम फिर के मुझे बहुत ही सुंदर एक जवाब बोला कि baby, mom, just because you love me, that doesn't mean that you can't love anything else. And of course मेरे तो आंसू निकलने शुरू हो गए वहीं पे, टिपिकल फिल्मी मॉम की तरह, क्लीशेड. So मैं बहुत रोई उस वक्त, लेकिन मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि मेरे बच्चों ने मुझे ऐसे they've given me permission to do the film actually. Well, he has definitely influenced me, no two ways about it, because I could not have done this film without his help, because he was the one actually who turned around and told me that you don't worry about the kids, I'm going to stay at home, मैं संभाल लूँगा, तो तुझे काम करना है, तुझे ये पिक्चर करनी है या नहीं करनी है. So I said, no, I want to do the film, I like the film, but I'm going to be away from the kids. So he turned around and he said, you don't worry about it. You want to do the film, you will do the film. I will make it happen. I will make it possible. So I think that's true love. Honestly, my stand on it is the same stand that I have as far as the number one position is concerned, that I don't believe in the rat race. I believe that there is more than enough for everybody to go around. And God willing, touch wood, if they are both good films, they will both do well.